All right, guys, I'm here at the Widowmaker, what we call. This is a tree that is behind me. I've got my skid steer against. I've got it notched out. There's my cameraman to flip it around here. We're going to take this tree down, and as you can see, it's quite large. Over here, that's my cameraman, Preston. He's filming the whole thing, documenting. So, let's step back and look just how big this tree really is. That's a pretty good sized tree.
Yeah, you can hear there's cars in the road.
So, we have got a tremendous amount of work to do. Everything is being back notched, so we can, so it'll fall the way that we want it to fall. And I'm about to start cutting. Preston's going to, as you can see, I'm pushing against it. In the next video, we'll see me cutting it down and it going into those woods. Wish me luck.